Hi, I'm Harry.
And I'm Amman, and we're from the Recharge Room, a health and wellbeing clinic based in Solihull in Birmingham.
So I first met Theo a few years ago whilst on my wellness journey. Since then, he's helped me a lot with my own journey in wellness with various modalities. And since only recently, I found out that he's grown massively and has added so many more modalities, including PEMF, which is something that I've been really interested in for a few years now, and I've had a few little gadgets of my own. And in the recent couple of years, I've been hoping to set up my own type of wellness clinic. And I am pretty much into my research, and it seems like all roads have come back to Theo at Cosmo Care.
So Harry invited me along to the event at Sophie's house in January. That's when I first got to experience all the modalities that Harry mentioned and meet Theo from Cosmo Care. We sort of took it from there, the three of us. We then booked in another time to go and speak to Theo about how we could build on Harry's idea of us starting a clinic. We just gelled from the very beginning, the three of us. We realized that we were all really aligned in terms of our personal values, our value of bringing health and well-being to those who we loved and further afield. So we realized that we were going to do this together, and so we started a franchise with Theo, Cosmo Care, and we named ours the Recharge Room, and we're based in Solihull.
When I first met Theo and his family, I realized that this is the type of people that I want to be around in this wellness industry. I've met many people around this wellness industry that I really didn't resonate with. But as soon as I met these guys, I resonated straight away, and it all came back full circle when I realised Theo was doing Cosmo Care and wanting it to take it nationwide and international. And there's nothing more than what I want is to be on the journey with him, alongside him, to help him and just try and give back to him personally, because I know he's done so much for us and others around him as well. The testimonials speak for themselves. The launch event was just incredible. I was so glad that I managed to bring Amman along as well. And since then, it's only been a couple of months, and we've already managed to set up a whole clinic. With the help of Theo and having so many of our own things going on, but we've managed, and that wouldn't have happened if we didn't have the mindset and the mentality of a family.
We can say to people, come along, try these modalities. So you've got the red light, you've got the PEM, scalar, hydrogen inhalation, and you can literally have 20 minutes of these sessions and feel recharged. We can obviously also talk about the education and the science that sits behind it, which we're also still on our journey of doing all of our courses and training, which is again giving us more enthusiasm and more sort of motivation for what it is that we're bringing to the Recharge Room. So yes, we're providing all these modalities. We know that people are going to come, they're going to feel great, they're going to refer other people, because we just want to spread all the greatness that is being achieved. And we actually had a friends and family launch last weekend. So again, getting to share this with our loved ones was just incredible, and they were totally understand why you two have found this guy Theo, and you're yes, we're doing this thing, because we're both we're not risk averse, but this is a risk for us. We wouldn't have thought about starting a business, etc. But again, through the support and the guidance and the sort of perseverance of Theo, we feel really confident. We know that we can do this. And again, sort of the family aspect, Theo has been there, holding our hand almost throughout all of that time. We're achieving something really great here, and that is what has continued our motivation for doing this. So it's really exciting. We're really happy to be doing this together and to be doing this with Theo from Cosmo Care, and watch this space for the Recharge Room.